Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your K375s keyboard. First, let's understand its versatile connectivity options. This keyboard is designed to work with multiple devices, offering seamless switching between up to 3 different computers, tablets, or smartphones. You have the flexibility to connect using either the included Logitech unifying USB receiver or via Bluetooth wireless technology. We will cover both methods in detail, ensuring you can get your keyboard up and running quickly. Connecting your K375's keyboard using the unifying receiver is incredibly straightforward. Simply find the tiny USB receiver, which is often stored in the keyboard's battery compartment or included in the box. Plug this small receiver into any available USB port on your desktop or laptop computer. Your keyboard should then establish a connection almost instantly, typically within 5 to 10 seconds. For enhanced functionality and personalized settings, consider downloading the Logitech Options software. For Bluetooth connectivity, first ensure that Bluetooth is enabled and discoverable on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Next, on your K375's keyboard, press and hold one of the 3 yellow Easy Switch keys, labeled 1, 2, or 3, for about 3 seconds. You will notice the LED light on that key start to blink quickly, indicating it is in pairing mode. Finally, open your device's Bluetooth settings and select Logitech K375 from the list of available devices to complete the connection. Once you have connected multiple devices, switching between them is incredibly simple. Just press the corresponding Easy Switch key, 1, 2, or 3, to instantly jump from one device to another. The keyboard remembers up to 3 paired connections, making your workflow seamless. For best performance, always ensure your keyboard has 2 fresh AAA alkaline batteries installed. Also, try to keep your keyboard within a 10-meter or 33-foot range of your connected devices for a stable wireless connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.